Hello! Hi everybody and welcome to my vlog. We have not done a vlog video in forever, it feels like, especially like these types of videos when I'm at home. Today is Monday, it's currently like 12 p.m. I've been filming a video for you guys since 8 a.m. and I'm still not done, so we will have to go finish that now, and then I have school later, and then my boyfriend is gonna pick me up and we will make lasagna. And yeah, I wouldn't say there's anything special this week coming up, so it's gonna be like a typical week in my life, and yeah, I just thought it would be a fun time to like chill and talk to you guys and just hang out. So yeah, anyways, let's go finish my video. This is the current state of my room, which I have to say I'm very proud of myself, because usually when I sew, like, my room becomes a huge mess. So this is actually really good. But yeah, as you know, it's probably gonna be the video before this one. I'm making a MacBook cover, but I messed it up, okay? I forgot to add like these little square things, you know, to like make it more professional looking. So I have to like seam rip this whole thing open. But yeah, anyways, let me fix this. Guys, I literally just ran outside of my house because I'm so late for school. My bus is arriving in 7 minutes. It takes 8 minutes to go to the bus stop, so I'm probably gonna run, but I just wanted to let you know that I got ready, finished filming the video, and we're off to school. But yeah. It's currently 6:30 and I have to pick up my mom at the airport in 2 hours. I really want to make lasagna today because we have so much frozen ground beef. So I thought I would just start the, tomato sauce with the beef plus the bechamel sauce now and just, put it all together once she's gonna be here so that it's fresh. So yeah, let's just quickly do that. I just finished my bechamel sauce and my ragu, so now I'm just gonna chill and go on TikTok, and my boyfriend's gonna be here any minute, so we're gonna drive to the airport and then we're gonna finish this. Here you go, honey.
Amazing, thank you, baby.
Hi, guys. It's the next day and I'm going to the gym. This is my outfit. I feel super cute and I look cute. Today I'm gonna do the upper body workout. So I'm gonna do my arms and my stomach. So that's gonna be fun. But yeah, before we go, I also have all of this that I need to go and send off. And then I probably won't film that much today because we are going to our mountain flat because we have our car there because our tire broke down. So we have to go exchange it for a new one. So that's gonna probably take the whole day because it takes 2 hours to get there and then, to get back and everything. So I'm probably gonna film more tomorrow. But yeah, for now, let's go to the gym and then I'll probably see you tomorrow. Hi! Today is another day. My baby's home and we have a full day for ourselves, so we're probably just gonna work at home. My room is super messy. I've been putting off vacuuming for like, I don't even want to say for how long because it's very embarrassing. But yeah, I will quickly vacuum and then I will also exchange my sheets because they're very dirty. I also ripped them. I don't know how I managed to make like a big hole in the blanket when I was sleeping, so I also have to sew that up. Yay, let's do it. Guys, I just had the best idea ever and I really want to go plant some plants. I know this sounds kind of weird, but I don't know if you can see outside, but it's like the perfect autumn weather. Okay, it's like kind of dark. I'm just in this fall like mood and I really want to go outside to my garden and just plant some plants for my room. Also, coincidentally, last week one of my plants died, one of my favorite plants actually, so that's kind of sad. But before I like threw it away, I cut off some of the stems and see, I put them into water and they already started to sprout some roots. So now I'm just going to find some little cute pots and I'm gonna go plant them and hopefully they will survive this and hopefully I will have 4 new plants out of the old one that I killed. So yay, I'm so excited and I really want to go outside. So let's go outside. Swear to God, I make the best protein shake on this planet. This is so good. Anyways, today was a good day, I would say. I went to school and I basically just worked on these new projects that I have. Yeah, as you saw, I went to the gym and now I got home and it's about 4 p.m. So I'm drinking my protein shake and I'm gonna quickly make some healthy lunch because I still didn't really eat lunch. But yeah, in the evening, I have a hangout with my girlfriends, so I'm so excited to see them. I'm probably not gonna vlog that much, but you know, it's just gonna be us and chat and wine, and it's gonna be amazing. But yeah, anyways, let's go make something for lunch, and then we'll get ready and go to the city. Outfit look. My tights, my knee-high boots, this mango dress, and then this turtleneck, and then this edge bag, you know, just super easy.
Ze stond
Okay guys, so it's Friday. It's currently a little bit over 10 a.m. and I have to go to school, but I thought that I would end the video right now because today is gonna be basically like more of the same. I'm just gonna go to school and then I'm gonna come back and we will have a date night with my boyfriend. Probably gonna go to a dinner and then to like a techno concert. But yeah, let me show you my outfit. Turtleneck, my low-waisted jeans, and then I'm gonna wear my Adidas Sambas, these ones, leather school bag, and my trench coat, and that's gonna be the outfit. Very basic. Honestly, I don't know what's happening to me. I've been wearing so many basic outfits. I kind of feel like I lost my spark, but then at the same time, I really like dressing basic and elegant and like sleek. But I also think it's kind of on trend being kind of basic and, you know, wearing those like 90s clean, easy, simple, elegant outfits. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna let you enjoy the rest of your day or whatever you're doing. I really hope you like this video. I definitely want to make more of these daily vlogs or weekly vlogs, so let me know in the comments if you like this type of format of the video, because I really enjoy it. I feel like it's so easy and like laid back and we actually get to like hang out. But yeah, let me know what you think about it. Anyways guys, if you like the video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to check out my Instagram and my TikTok, and if you're from Czech Republic, Slovakia, or Poland, don't forget to check out my Vinted. And that is it guys. I love you so much. Thank you for all your support and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Oh my god, my voice.